Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what happens when you press the Windows and R keys. This powerful keyboard shortcut instantly opens the Run dialog box, a small but mighty tool in Windows. It provides a quick way to launch applications, open files, folders, and even websites by simply typing their names or paths. It's designed for speed and direct access, bypassing the need to navigate through menus or desktop icons. Think of it as a command line for everyday tasks, saving you valuable seconds. Once the Run dialog box appears, you can type in a variety of commands. For instance, typing Notepad and pressing Enter will immediately open Notepad. Similarly, CMD launches the command prompt, and Explorer opens File Explorer. You can also type in a web address like google.com to open it in your default browser. This direct access streamlines your workflow, allowing you to execute dozens of common tasks with just a few keystrokes, making your computer experience much more efficient. Beyond basic applications, the Run dialog box offers more advanced capabilities. You can open system utilities like msconfig for system configuration or Regedit to access the Registry Editor, giving you control over hundreds of system settings. It's also excellent for quickly navigating to specific folders or network shares by typing their full path. This feature is particularly useful for IT professionals or anyone needing to access deeply nested directories without extensive clicking, providing a direct route to your desired location. Mastering the Windows plus R shortcut can significantly boost your productivity. It eliminates the need to search through the Start menu or desktop for frequently used programs and files. This direct method is not only faster, but also helps in troubleshooting by providing quick access to diagnostic tools. By integrating this simple two-key combination into your routine, you gain a more efficient and streamlined way to interact with your operating system, saving you precious time throughout your day and enhancing your overall computer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.